morning, dear students. Today we are going to see for 10th ICSE Mathematics from the chapter Trigonometrical Identities how to read tables of trigonometry. Such kind of a tabular thing is available which provides natural sine, natural cosine and natural tangent values for the given degree. But before we proceed to that, let us see how to convert. Now suppose we have 1 degree. So 1 degree corresponds to 60 minutes and 1 minute corresponds to 60 seconds. Students, this is very important. One should know this for finding the different angles. Like, so far you are aware of sine 0 is 0, sine 30 degree is half, sine 45 degree 1 upon root 2, sine 60 degree root 3 by 2, sine 90 1. But if someone asks you how much is sine 15 degree or sine 15 degree 20 minutes, in that case we take the help of the tables which are available in the logbook. So remember, we are going to search the values only in natural sine, natural cosine and natural tangent. Now before I start with the exercise, in each case I will show you one example how to find out the value of that trigonometric ratio for the given angle. So this is the log table. In log table we will start with first natural sines. Also students, please remember, while you are reading the table, if this is visible, then in that situation you have to make use of a scale. You have to keep a scale in a horizontal manner because lots of numbers are there. So chances are there you may get confused in selecting the values. So always while reading, keep a scale in a horizontal manner over here. Let us take one example. If the question is asked sine 5 degree and they have asked the value, I will show you the layout of this, how it looks. Here it is written natural sines, then the first column which is there is about degree 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and this goes on up to 99, and then here you have the additional values of it, like 0 minute is 0 degree, 0.1 degree is 6 minute, 0.2 degree is 12 minute, and so on. This goes up to 54 minute corresponds to 0.9. So remember this, like I said here, it's very easy. See how 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. Now they have written here 6 minutes equal to how much? So by unitary method, if 1 degree corresponds to 60 minutes, 6 minutes will correspond to 0.1 degree. This is the way you have to do. Then one more part is there which is called mean differences, and in this mean differences you will find overall 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute, 5 minute. Now question arises, how are the values written? I will write few values for you, then you will come to know. And this goes and many are there like that. And like that here many values will be there. So the layout of the table is in this manner. Now question arises, how to read sine 5 degree in this case and what will be the value? So answer is very simple. Here it is written 5 degree. So you have to see where is the column of degree. So in that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 5. So when you are doing it at home, you have to place a scale here horizontally so that it covers this entire row. You have to focus only on this, between these two horizontal lines which I have drawn here. Now here you can't see any minute written here. There is no minute written. It's simply sine 5 degree. So I will see for sine 5 and 0.0. So 5 degree can also be written as sine 5.0. Is this clear? So for sine 5.0, answer is 0.0872. This is the answer. So this will be the value of sine 5 degree. Suppose now if they ask sine 5.9 degree, or they ask it like this, sine 5 degree 54 minutes. Sine 5 degree 54 minutes is as good as sine 5.9 degree. If anybody asks you how this conversion is done, answer is very simple. Tell them 1 degree is 60 minutes. So 54 minutes is equal to 0.9 degree. So that much additional value you have to put there. So it will become sine 5.9 degree. Now question arises, how to read this? Very easy. Look here. In degree 5 and below 54 you have to see how much is the value. So value is 0.1028. So it will be written 0.10. This will be the answer. So how to read the value? Like this. Sine of 5 degree 54 minutes. Sine of 5 degree and below that 54 minutes. Whatever is the number written, that you have to write here. Now some students may be thinking, if this is okay, what is this mean difference? What is to be done there? Answer is very simple. I will tell you that also. If suppose there is any minute which doesn't belong to the given minutes here in the table. For example, let us take sine 56 minute, sine 5 degree and 56 minutes. So what you have to do here is 56 available? First you have to check it in the main table. The answer will be no, because it ends at 54 minute. So when it ends at 54 minute, then in that situation you have to add 2 more minutes in this case. It's 54 and here in the question it is 56. So what I will do is, I will write it in this manner: sine 5 degree 54 minutes plus the mean difference of 2 minutes here. So the value of sine 5 degree 54 minutes is 0.1211028. This is the value of sine 5 degree 54 minutes. Now I need 2 more minutes. So I have to check in this same horizontal row for 2 more minutes what is the value, and the value comes out to be 6. So that 6 you have to add at the extreme right corner and make the total of it. So it will come out to be 4, 3, 0, 1. So answer is 0.1034. This is the thing. So I hope this is clear. This is the way you can find out for any degree. Like that it will be here sine 48 degree. So keep on searching the degree where it is written 48. As soon as you reach to the degree value 48, please do not forget to keep your scale horizontally, covering that entire row. Once you cover that row, you will come to know what will be the value of the main minutes plus the mean difference, and easily you can solve out any value for the given angle in trigonometric ratios. So this was for sine. Let us proceed towards natural cosine. There is a slight difference. Sine and tan are having same process or procedure, but cosine you have to subtract the mean difference. Subtracting the mean difference means what? Let us see. For that I will just erase these values because they need to be written again. And if you want, I can take higher values here. 2-digit figures I can take here for your understanding, so that you will understand it in a better way. So you have to first go to the table of natural cosines. Okay. No doubt from 0 it will begin, 0 degree and all that, but for your better understanding I will select some higher value. Let us go for cos 45. Now dear students, we are aware cos 45 degree is 1 upon root 2, but this 1 upon root 2 we have to write it in decimal form, not in fraction form. Root 2 is 1.414 and reciprocal of 1.414 is 0. Somewhere around 707. So let us check in this what happens for sine 45. But for here I will start with the degrees: 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, and this goes up to 99. Now let me write the values. And it goes up to 0.6959. 246,810. And then here let us go up to 50. So, in this way the table will be constructed for cosine. Now, as I told you in the beginning itself, we are aware of cos 45 degree, and I told you cos 45 degree in your fraction form is 1 upon root 2. So, this is nothing but root 2 is 1.4142 and the value comes out to be 0.707. So, if you look in the table, if I have done this with calculation, the tabular value also matches with it. That cos 45 is 0.7071. Now, question arises, in exam, if the question is cos 45 degree, say 12 minutes, how to do it? In that situation, first you have to see 45 degrees available and search in the topmost horizontal row, is there 12 minute available? Yes, it is available. So, for 45 degree and below 12 minutes, select that value 7046. So, answer comes out to be 0.7046. Now, you understood? But the additional information is about the mean difference. I said you have to subtract the difference here. How to do that? Suppose you have cos 45 degree and 14 minutes. Cos 45 degree and but obviously if it is 6 minutes, 12 minutes, then here it will be 18 minutes and so on, and it will go up to 54. Between 12 and 18, nowhere you will find 14 minutes is available. Now, how to handle such things? Very simple. First, you have to find the nearest minute. So, the nearest minute to 14 is 12. So, I will find the value of first cos 45 degree 12 minutes, and to that, here in sine we used to write plus, 2 more minutes are required. So, here I will add it and I will get cos 45 degree 14 minutes, but here I have to do subtraction. That is the difference between sine and cosine. Remember students, there are 3 available: natural sine, natural cosine, natural tangent. In that, natural sine and natural tangent, they are same, whereas natural cosine has a different concept where you have to subtract. So, let us see cos 45 degree 12 minutes, we know the value 0.7046. Now, 2 minutes if you add here, 12 minutes plus 2 minutes become 14 minutes, but the value of that 2 minutes is to be subtracted from the right extreme. So, for 2 minutes the value over here is 4. So, that 4 you will write here and subtract it. So, it will become 2407.0. So, answer comes out to be 0.7042. So, in this way you have to do it for cosine. The minute things will be added here to make it 14, but the values of those are to be subtracted, and remember, you have to subtract it from the right extreme value. Do not put that 4 anywhere else here, otherwise the answer will go wrong. So, in this way one can study the different angles, how to find using the table. Let us proceed to the exercise, and then I will show you how it is to be done. It is very interesting and simple exercise, dear students. Now, also one more thing, it is not like I have skipped 21C. 21C few numericals we will be seeing in one more class for it separately, but since this exercise was very easy, a fresh topic after long time, so that is why I started with it. They have asked, use tables to find sine of, use table to find sines of. I will take few values. They have asked sine 21 degree, sine 34 degree, 42 minutes, and then fifth one they have given sine 10 degree, 20 minutes plus 20 degree, 45 minutes. So, in this way they have asked us to find the sine values. Hey, we can do one more thing here. We can also find the same angles for cosine, for tan, and it is up to you students, from 0 degree up to you go to any higher value. Your table provides up to 90 in this case. Natural cosine is up to 90, natural tan goes to very higher values where mean difference is of higher range. So, let us go for sine 21 degree. The first important thing is you should open the page of natural sines, and in natural sines you should go for, as I told you, the layout. Always keep the layout in your mind. This is degree, 0, 1, 2, this will go up to 21, 22 like this. Here it is mean difference, and in that you have 5 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes and 5 minutes. And here you have 0 degree, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4 up to 0.9. So, here you have 0 minutes, 6 minutes, 12 minutes, 18 minutes up to 54 minutes. This is 0.9, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 and so on. Now, for sine 21 degree, the value given here is 0.3584, 0.3584. So, how you have to find sine 21? See, here it is written sine 21 degree. Is there anything written in the minute part? Nothing is there. So, you have to keep the scale where you have degree 21 and no minutes are available. So, for 0 minute you have to take the value. So, value comes out to be 0.3584, 0.3584. Then comes 34 degree 42 minutes. 42 minutes will be available here somewhere because it is a multiplier of 6 and it is for 34. So, like that I will go up to 34, and in this 34 0.5693. So, how to check the value of sine 34 degree 42 minutes? So, you have to go in this way, 34 degree and 42 minutes. So value comes out to be 0.5693. 0.5693. And the last one, they have asked us to find sine of 10 degree 20 minutes plus 20 degree 45 minutes. Means first you have to find the value of this and this. In this way you have to go for it. They are asking us to add they are saying first add the angles and then go for the value. Now the situation is very interesting here. It is written sine 10 degree 20 minutes. So I will write it here. Okay, first I will simply write the values. 10 degree 20 minutes plus 20 degree 45 minutes. Let us add this. So this comes out to be 65 minutes, and 10 degree plus 20 degree is equal to 30 degree. Now one must be wondering that 30 degrees available, but from where to bring 65, because the last limiting thing is 54 and the mean difference is 5. So maximum thing you can reach here is 54 minutes plus 5 minutes, which is 59 minutes. Then one must be thinking again, why not to add 55, then again 4, then 3 minutes, then 2 minutes and 1 minute. No, don't do like that. There is one option available. In the beginning of the lesson of this exercise, I told you 1 degree corresponds to 60 minutes. So students, what I am going to do here is 65 minutes, I am going to split it up like 60 minutes plus 5 minutes. Now you understood? And then I can write that 60 minute equal to 1 degree and 5 minutes. That 1 degree 5 minutes I will convert it here. So 30 degree 65 minutes can be written as 30 degree plus 1 degree 5 minutes. So total comes out to be 31 degree and 5 minutes. So this question is as good as writing sine 31 degree 5 minutes. Now how will you search this? For degree 31 and 5 minutes. 5 is not available. 5 is not available. So I will take 31 degree 0 minute 5150 0.51, and for 5 minutes the value is 12. So value can be written as 0.5150 and the mean difference is 12. So you have to add this here, 2, 6. So answer comes out to be 0.5162. So this is the answer for the. So I hope that for today you understood how to find natural cosine, natural sine, natural tangent. Thank you very much, dear students.